Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name's Matthew, and in this video we're making croque madame. To make bechamel sauce, I have a medium pan on the stove, and to it I've added 2 tablespoons of butter. To the butter I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. Whisk that in. The butter and flour, I'm going to stir in a cup of milk. And finally, a dash of nutmeg. Just to test that it's thickened enough. See if it coats the back of the spoon. That's exactly what we want. Start with 2 pieces of your favorite bread. I'm using a rye bread. It's also excellent with sourdough or nice crusty white bread. I have some butter. I'm just going to spread some butter on the outside of the slices. And then to the bread, I have some slices of Gruyere cheese. Gruyere is lovely. You can use Swiss if you'd rather. And then on top of the cheese, some nice ham. And then I have some nice grainy mustard. I'm going to spread that right on top. And this is ready for the skillet. I have our croque madame, and I've placed it on a baking sheet. I have some of our bechamel sauce. I'm just going to slather it on the top. To the top of the bechamel, I have some grated Gruyere. And I like a nice crack of black pepper on mine. And this is ready for the broiler. I have our croque monsieur turned croque madame with the addition of the egg. Let's give it a taste. That egg yolk is nice and rich, and it goes lovely with the ham, the cheese, the mustard, and that bechamel, that hint of nutmeg. Delicious. Well, there you have it. That's how you make a croque monsieur and a croque madame. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.